Established in 2012, MOCO is a national-level high-tech enterprise and a recognized specialist in innovative connector solutions. Headquartered in Zhongshan, China, we are committed to delivering high-quality, eco-friendly connectors and customized cable assemblies to clients worldwide. In early 2025, our brand new 8,000 square meter manufacturing facility in Zhongshan officially began operation. With over 200 employees and advanced imported equipment, including CNC machines, injection molding machines, EDM, milling and grinding tools, we've greatly enhanced both our capacity and precision. At MOCO, every step is handled with care by experienced and skilled hands. From cable cutting to terminal crimping, from connector assembly to visual inspection, precision and dedication drive everything we do. This is how we build trust through quality. From raw material storage to selection and issuing, MOCO follows a standardized warehouse management system. Each component is precisely tracked and selected with strict quality control, ensuring reliability from the very first step. Our product range covers push-pull connectors, European-style industrial circular connectors, RF coaxial connectors, military standard circular connectors compliant with both Chinese and US specifications, as well as high compatibility cable assembly solutions. These offerings meet the diverse and customized needs of our global clients. Our solutions are widely used across mission-critical industries, including medical devices, industrial automation, aerospace, military systems, instrumentation, broadcasting equipment, and 5G communication. We provide one-stop, customized solutions tailored to your needs. Whether it's high-density data transmission in complex environments, or signal stability under extreme conditions, MOCO designs precisely matched interconnect solutions for every challenge. All MOCO products comply with major international standards, including UL, CE, RoHS, ISO 9001, ISO 13485 and IATF 16949. We've earned trust from customers in over 50 countries and regions, delivering both standard and customized solutions to meet a wide range of global demand. At MOCO, we don't just make connectors, we build connections that matter. We welcome partners from around the world to visit our new Zhongshan facility and explore what's possible together. MOCO, connecting performance, building trust.